Okay, we're making a video on that door right there is off a 39 Sea Ray Express, and there's where the hinges go. So last year I was having a problem with the door actually rubbing the boat right here. So I'm like, okay, well, I'll just tighten up the screws. Well, the screws wouldn't tighten up, so this year I finally got into it. And let's see, let's set you down here. And where the screws, the bolts go, right there, and there's, you know, screw head on this side, bolt on this side, but the wood that was in here, right there, get a light in there. There's wood. There was wood in here. There was wood all in here, all up here, all up there, all the way around. They used it as a form, I think, and then they just left it in there. Well, all that wood was rotted. I mean rotted, I could just pull it out with my finger. But in order to put it back together, I have to support. We have to support in between there. So what I did, is I made some wood here, just regular plywood, and we threw epoxy on it. But I had to make a special shape to kind of go in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this in there. This goes right here, and it's not this is 1/2 inch plywood, and I had to shave some off. I had to shave about 1/8 of an inch off to get it to fit in that slot. So and what that's going to do is we're going to put this down here. So I got wood here, 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 and here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to epoxy that in there. And while we're doing it, I got pieces. I had made pieces because this is a little under an inch. So I had made pieces for here, there, that's a 1/2 inch over there, and that's a 1/2 inch there. And what we'll do is we'll epoxy this in, and then we'll put our piece on top of that, epoxy that in, waterproof it, put a piece up there, down the side and the bottom. So I was epoxying my wood earlier, and my extra epoxy I just used on the back of the door, and I'll do the same with the extra epoxy I get now. I'll just use it on the rust on the back of the door. It's not going to hurt it. Alright, let me get my epoxy together. Alright, so we're going to mix up some epoxy. This is 5:1 right there, 5:1, 5 parts resin to 1 part hardener. And we got our measuring cup there, so we'll fill up 5 ounces of resin. Here we go. Where's my 5 mark? There it is. I kind of want to be, and I can't see, I'm blind. I kind of want to be precise with this stuff, because if you're not, you either harden too quick or it'll take forever to cure. That I found out. Now this is a hardener. I'm going to put 1 ounce in. And we'll give her a stir. We're going to apply it with that brush right there. Where's our little stir guy? And this says stir for 2 minutes, and you stir for a minute and you're done. This is not crystal clear epoxy, it's just straight up, you know, general purpose epoxy. So 5:1, that gives us 6 ounces. That's all you need. A little bit goes a long ways. Okay, and then we'll go back to the door. So in the boat, it looks like that, just like so. Actually, these doors are custom built for each boat, I think. I don't think they were mass produced. You know, the doors, so they go on there a certain way, like that. Well, where these screws line up, you got to have wood back there to screw into. So basically, that wood holds the door, or holds the back of the door. So right now, we got our piece of wood in there. So what we'll do is all we're going to do, let me get a light, can't see down there. So that piece of wood is right there. That's just enough to back up where my bolts go through, and I'm going to have to drill holes through that afterwards. But all I want to do is kind of epoxy that in there. So hand you over to my son here, and he's going to take video. We're just using a little cheap brush, that's all you need. We're just going to epoxy it in there. And don't be shy. Let it run, because you ain't going to see it. So now we'll get our other wood. There should be enough epoxy on that. These are pre-cut pieces that I kind of, so this is for the top, and what I did is I cut 2 pieces of plywood, epoxied them together, and epoxied the outside to make it waterproof. So that is not for there, that is for over there. So this one will fit in here gingerly. Right there. And then just take some epoxy. And we'll just epoxy her in. Gotta make her all waterproof. And then, let's see. That's the bottom. Here's the side. Shove the side in there. Now these are just for the screws to hold to. So and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some screws and screw from here to the inside so that stays in one spot, because I know the epoxy isn't going to hold it. Basically the epoxy is just for the waterproofing. Make sure you don't get anything on the door. decent. Okay, so we had to switch cameras here because my other camera ran out of storage. So, well, we're running out of time. My epoxy's hardening up, so we'll get my last piece of wood in here. I think we kind of... Oops, too much. It's gonna be a hard time now. And none of this door is symmetric at all. So there we are. And what we'll do is we'll stick some epoxy on there. Don't be shy. Epoxy's smoking. Starting to harden. Uh-oh. Did I get too much hardener in there? I don't think I did. What's this, my brush smoking? I don't know.
Both is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Smoking up?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Must have got a little too much hardener in there. This stuff's really touchy. Yeah, we had camera issues, so now what I'm gonna do is we're going to... I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to use some screws. I'm going to use a drill, use some screws. And I got to hurry up and do this because I got some stainless steel screws. Let's see. That should work. Oh yeah, that epoxy's just smoking. So shit. Freaking board moved. I'm going to take some stainless steel screws right here. I'm going to screw on in. And then I'll cover those with epoxy. There. Because I got no other way to attach it. Because I don't want, you know, say the epoxy comes unattached. And then all of a sudden my door's falling off. Oh, that screw's got something in it. Oh, I got epoxy in my hand. Nothing is working. That's got something in it. These are old screws. Oh, my epoxy. Jeez, so Pete's, I'm having a hard time. Stickies. There. And we'll get one more in there. And I gotta do the rest of it really quick. Uh-oh. Oh, we got too much hardener. Son of a gun. What? It'll come off. That's what happens when you put too much hardener in. It's like heating up. Look at that.
What? It melted the whole bottom.
It melted the whole bottom. Goes to show you, I know how to mix epoxy. Alright, so I'm going to remix a batch. and I will, what I'm going to do is I'm going to screw into this one up here, I'm going to screw down here and around here, and we're just going to screw it in so it won't come apart, and then I'll be able to attach the back of my door over here. That's what happens when the epoxy gets mixed up a little. Too much hardener, or it isn't stirred enough. So this is my Sunday project, and I'll probably have this on tomorrow back on the boat. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna probably have some more videos about the Sea Ray coming. It's just bought it last year, and this year it didn't go in for certain reasons, and right now we're just working on it so we can get it in the water next year. Alright, like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.